I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to create a website just like this using the Wix website builder. What kind of website do you want to create? A business. Then let Wix ADI create a website for you is a fast and quick option for creating your website. Start now. Now to answer a few simple questions. What kind of business is your website for? In my case, a school. And here's the website that Wix has created for me. All I have to do now is go to each section and make changes to make this website more suitable to my particular business. I can also remove sections that I don't need, unwanted sections that I don't actually need for my particular business. For instance, if I don't need this section, I can easily hover over these three dots and click the delete option. But don't worry, you can actually add these sections back on later if you change your mind. You can simply copy the address for your YouTube channel, return to the Wix ADI editor, paste the link, and Wix will immediately recognize this link as being a YouTube link. At this point, you will press enter. Your web page is ready to be published, which will make it viewable online. And to publish your web page, all you will need to do is click on the publish button. It's that simple. Free website from Wix. I will scroll all the way to the bottom of the form, and here's a subscribe form where visitors can leave their email address. Each time a visitor to your website submits an email address, you will receive an email just like this one. And contained in that email is a button that, when clicked, will lead you to your subscriber list right within inside of Wix. So, if you haven't already signed up for a free website, please click the link in the description of this video that is labeled "Sign up for a free website." Also, click the link in the description of this video that will take you to my full tutorial on how to create a website in 30 minutes.